I'm definitely setting a record for the most numbers of restarts in one stream. Oh gosh. And of course, like every time I restart, it like auto tweets like that. Uh so where were we? Sorry about that. I also discovered just then. Usually I try and like connect to chat and say like technical difficulties, please stand by. When that happens, but what I just realized is it takes me about as much time to restart as it does to say technical difficulties. So whatever, whatever. I'm gonna get really good at at doing all the things that it takes to get the stream restarted, and then be like a professional stream restarter in the near future. um, so thank you for everyone who's stuck in there. I guess I'm gonna have to stream for a little longer than I planned on this evening, to as a thank you for everyone who did not take off. Or is maybe the channel's empty right now? No, there's still people here. Awesome. Thank you guys. You're the coolest. You're the cool ones. um, so yeah, all right. Let's rerun the script, and then start doing those. I don't know how many of the things that I said made it through to you guys, but I'm gonna do those things I said, basically. All right. So rerun the script, just to have it running, because why not? Scooch it over here. And then what? Right. So name tags all the time, all day, every day. So uh, oh, oh, JQ. Okay. Uh, huh. So I'll have to change this a little bit, because name tag equals 1 I'm using specifically for the join queue. And that does have slightly greater priority than randos. So uh yeah. So I'll add in a new one, which is right. So when players get added in like this, when if n add cdd, then we'll say pdict index cdd dot uh, pdict cdd dot name tag, right, equals 3. So 3 will be like, you didn't just show up, you didn't when you didn't just participate in an event, and you didn't just level up, but we're showing you you're marching across the screen anyways, and we're showing your name tag anyways. Why not? So one half of the screen will tend to have name tags on it, which I think I can live with that. I feel like that should be okay in life. Uh, oh, excuse me. Sorry. All right. So. Uh, yeah. All right. So. Um, Now let's process name tag 3 as if it were a thing, like the other things. So currently, we're basically wherever we say if name tag equals 1, I think, is where we're gonna punch in equals 1 or equals 3, basically. Alright, those are the two, basically the two cases. Okay. Wait. So wait, maybe I should just say, at this point, maybe I should just say greater than. Because if I'm saying equals to 1 or equals to 2 or equals to 3, and like the rest of the values don't mean anything, then I should probably just say name tag greater than or equal to 1. Or even just greater than 0. Because I'm pretty sure name tag never equals anything else. I could check, but it's late and I don't feel like it. Oh, I'm terrible. No, alright, so name tag equals, fine. Or name tag equals, let's look at what we have here. 2, 1, 0, 1, 3. That's the one we just added. 1, 2, 2, 0, 2. Yeah, alright, so we're good. Alright. So, yeah. So, oh yeah, so this is just queuing up name tag. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. No. No, okay. No, this is good. Name tag A. Yeah. Just about hard. Name tag A. Right. So do I really have to do much else than this? Or, no, where's the part where I actually have to, like, blit stuff? I mean, yeah, I do have to change some stuff, because I have to change, alright, yeah, here we go. So, oh, interesting. Alright, yeah, so name tag 2 just has to do with, like, gain and stuff. So, yeah. So I guess I can just use name tag 1. Yeah. I don't need to I don't need to make up name tag equals 3. Like, that's not a meaningful thing. Anyways. Whatever, it's not like it hurts. So I'll just leave it like that for now, I guess. Alright, so, we do need that tag, though, about, so, alright, so I'll add that to players now. So, adventures, I'll just call it, like, acted equals false for starters. And then when we're going through the processing actions, the end of an event, then this is the case where we can say pdict p key acted equals true, and maybe it'll just stay true, because why not? Acted equals true, or capital T true. Save that. Hark, Kaminiak, welcome. You're just in time for some sailing. Ooh, Lauren, right there. I bet if you were just like a few seconds later, it wouldn't have worked, or you wouldn't have made it. But good job. So, I don't know Python either, Lauren. So, you and me both. Caleb leveled up again. Way to go, Caleb. Uh, Communiac leveled up again. Oh, sorry, I'm spoiling it because I'm reading it from the log before it happens. Oh, Cominiac, did you get your blue cap? Are you the first person to get a blue cap in this game? That'd be pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, no, I guess two people have blue caps. So you're one of. Oh, Lauren, congratulations. um, yeah. All right. I was really waiting for that because like this is the part where like the characters actually start to get distinguished. Like they don't all just look identical now anymore, which is kind of cool. Like I was waiting for it. I've been waiting all day. So good job. You guys are officially the leaders of this game. Uh, um, actually, the whole acted thing, it's probably gonna get tiresome if it's just showing up constantly. I don't know. Maybe I want to try it and then try it and see. Maybe it'll be fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna try it and see. Just kind of like slam it in, see if it works, or see how it looks, and then if I don't like it, I can change it. So, all right. So, did we? Oh, did I get to the? Did I set the acted thing? I forget. I think I did. Acted equals true. Yeah. All right. Good. So yeah, now we can go back to the part where we were blitting the name tags, and we can say, where's the part where we're blitting name tags? Name tags. So blit. So right, this is for blitting the first line. So if right. So if length of yeah. So if level up is greater than 0, then we do that thing first. Else if gain, right, okay, so then the last else if is what we're gonna add one more else if here, which is gonna be wait, oops, I just scrolled back some really far. Alright, so the last else if is gonna be a lot like this one. Copy paste, but the condition is going to be else if pdict li acted, and it's going to be so there's no gain, there's no equals, it's just the amount of experience points plus space exp. That's all. But the rest is the same. So let's see how that plays. So, alright, so I'm going to stop the scripts. Save that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm using sprites. Oh, collisions. Yeah. To be honest, I don't use physics systems very often because, like, well, I use physics in Grav just to get it up and running real fast. But I basically I'm not using any physics for I'm not using any external physics libraries for Hero, even though like characters are like constantly like bumping up against each other and like getting knocked into the air and stuff. Like I don't know, it's gonna take a while, but like when this game really gets going, like things are flying all over the place. But I just write my own physics because I don't know, like physics systems are some of the buggiest things. Like I mean it's all about like the mathematical optimization of like real world physical properties, and it's always like this awkward trade-off of like how physically realistic will it be versus like how performant will the system be, and like I don't know, it seems like it's always skirting this strange line that I tend to avoid. Honestly, I just do the math that I need in order to make my systems work. Like you can blow things into space here. Like later on in the game, there'll be like tons of dudes swarming around, but they won't bump into each other. But yeah, I just figured out what is the math that I need in order to make this all work, and then I just did it myself. Uh, but then again, I'm a math person. I enjoy math sometimes. Like there are times that I will actually be happy while doing math, which I realize makes me a weird person. But man, I haven't played this game in a while. I miss you, hero. I spent a lot of time on this game too. This is the first game that I spent a lot of time on stream working on. Like when I first started streaming, this is the game that I was working on, and I worked on it for a while, and then eventually I stopped. Oh, one thing you might notice is that my physics system is a little floaty, but that's actually intentional. My physics system used to be not floaty, but then I was like, I'm gonna add in floatiness, uh, intentionally. Um, oh, oh, uh, sorry. um, I was not paying attention to your conversation. Sorry, not doing a good job of that. um, collisions in Pygame. Yeah. Sorry, I'm not much help. Um, but like, I don't know. If you can tolerate math, then like writing your own physics stuff. I guess my point is, yeah, if you can tolerate math, then like you can get better performance and better other stuff out of just like writing your own physics sometimes. So, yeah. Anyways, like there's this awkward bug in this game where sometimes when things are like bouncing, they'll like oh the red sphere was doing it a second ago, but it got collided, so the bug got fixed. But like there's this thing that like if yeah the black sphere is doing it. It hit the lower line it hit the lower bar at an angle, so it should have bounced off. But for some reason it didn't bounce off. It just kind of stuck to it, and then it would have just like if it didn't get collided by one of the other spheres, it would have just gone back and forth for like forever along the bottom line, and I don't know why that's happening. Whoa, did the script crash? No, I'm not running the script. I was like, oh. Why am I not running the script? I guess because I got distracted. I think it's ready to be run, so let's see what it does. Uh, all right, so people should show up, and then once people show up, I'm gonna do like a whatever event, and then do whatever event, and then we're going to see how that goes. See if we get annoyed by the amount of spammy name tags that we see going on screen. Uh, Name tags, was that the other? Oh, name changing. Uh, Whoa. Oh, whoa. What? Look at it. It just keeps going. It just keeps showing his name tag again and again and again. So that's not right. That'll have to fix. Uh, how did I break that? Oh, ooh, yeah. No, I bet I know how I did that. uh, excuse me. And now Benry's name tag is gonna go on forever. Uh, wait, I just want to see what it does, actually. No, it's just going to show Benry and Almost Dave's, and it's never going to show the people between us because there's no room. There's, like, no room for those name tags. Alright. So, yeah, I broke something here. I'm just going to leave that going because it's kind of amusing. um, uh, excuse me. Alright. uh, what on earth did I do? It's probably the name tag equals 3 thing, right? It's probably the name tag equals 3. Or no, maybe it's no, it couldn't be the name tag equals 3 because we're not. So maybe it was the equals. Maybe it was the thing where I changed to equals 1 or equals 2 to be greater than 0. Maybe it didn't like that. Oh, greater than or equal to 0. Yeah, that would explain it. Did I actually do greater than or equals to 0? Yeah, that would explain it. That would super explain it. All right. Oh yeah, I should have shut down the script so that when I reran it, Trusty Bard would have left and returned. Floops. So, yeah, just a heads up. This is probably did I already say this? This is probably the last thing that I'm going to add to the title. So I'm going to check it out. If I like it, I'm going to ship it. I'm going to call it good, G2G, and then I'm probably going to call it an evening. So I don't know. So tomorrow I'm going to the airport to pick up my sister, but so I'm probably not going to stream tomorrow, but I might stream this weekend. I know I say that a lot. The important thing is that the next time I stream, or like one of the next times I stream, will be Monday, because at noon on Monday, noon Eastern Standard Time, on Monday, December 22nd, is the start of the next it's the start of the next Signal Jam. So it's going to be a big collaborative on-stream jam where we all together, like we, you and me, and all the rest of these people. And when I say you, I mean you. If you hear me saying you, I mean you. We're all going to work together to make one big project, and we're going to do it on stream. And it's going to be great. Journey is going to be like done, and so we're going to have that going. And I'm going to actually okay. Yeah, I'm gonna actually prepare something and play Journey like a real person, not just like a apathetic whatever. So it should be interesting. Yeah, it'll be kind of an interesting experience because stream jams I haven't or Signal Jam I haven't done one in like over a month, so that'll be fun. And then we have this new aspect of it as well. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope if you have some time on that day, you might consider dropping in. We're starting on Monday, and then we're probably going to work on Tuesday and maybe Wednesday, depending on how my schedule works out. So, yeah, it's gonna be a good time. So yeah, if you can only show up for some of it too, I definitely recommend showing up for the start of it because it's really the first thing that we do. So like at noon on, I'll start streaming a little before noon so that people have time to show up. But the first thing that we do at noon is we all vote on a theme for the jam. So so not only do we vote on the theme, but we also come up with the ideas for the theme. So everyone pitches ideas, and then we have a big list of ideas, and then we'll pick the ones that we want, and it should be good. Because then immediately after that, we do the same sort of picking process for what type of game we want to make and like what type of features we want to add. So it's yeah. If you're gonna show up for any part of it at all, I definitely recommend showing up for the start of it because personally, I really enjoy that part. So I think you guys might as well. Awesome, yeah, that is fantastic because it's I mean, yeah, I think like for the first for the first jam, we only did 3 hours. We just limited ourselves to 3 hours because we were bored one afternoon, and I knew I had to do something later in the day, but I had like 3 hours to kill, so I was like, all right, let's do this. And I ended up being late for the thing because we ran slightly over time, but no, it went well, and so now uh, for the second one, was it which one? No, the second one I did over the course of several days. Because for the second one I got sick a little bit, and I didn't get to stream nearly as much as I wanted to, so I ended up like deferring it a few days. Like I put in like a few really pathetic days, and then we did it. Then the next week we finished up, and that one actually came out well. I think I ended up spending too much time on it, but the end result I was pretty proud of by the end. So I thought that was really good. The third one we did I did an overnight marathon for it, which was probably not the right decision. It was a fun experiment, but I don't think it was the right decision because like I was dying. It was kind of a mess, and but we still came out with the game. All right, yeah. So sorry, just back to the game for a second. Like, so our dudes are doing laps, and their names keep showing up. So I think that's probably fine, actually. Um, I think yeah. I don't know why I thought that was gonna be worse than it could have been, but no, that's entirely fine. It might be a little more. It might be a little bit much once there's like more people, like once the row is full. Because like one thing you might notice is that like because the name takes a little time to display, like if a bunch of people are pouring through, like it can take longer for the like they can't like all display at the same time, etc., etc. So, yeah, Kaminiak, you leveled up. Kaminiak and Lauren, you're the first blue caps. You're the first. You're leaders. And like I don't even have a blue cap, and I haven't reset my data even after I was cheating. So you guys are even better than cheaters. You are. So congratulations. um. So yeah, yeah. At this point, I'm basically just like watching stuff happen. I guess I could incur an event because the other thing I want to see is what happens once a new event happens. So I should at least come up with like one real event today because I don't think. Oh, I did the you talked to an old man earlier. That was that was like the only event that I actually like did. So so yeah, what should this event be? You talked to an old man about tactics earlier. That was what happened earlier in the story. So let's see what will happen first. Will I actually come up with one, or will I procrastinate long enough that the automatic system kicks in? I can do this. I can do this. I believe in myself. Um, so I should do one of the other event types. So like event type one, I could do event type one. Event type one uh would be uh uh so oh interesting. Yeah, event type one. I can kind of do like huh. Kind of a oh, you know how else I can use the event system? Is not necessarily by the I can use the event system not just to define the nature of the event, but to kind of choose how the story reacts to participation in the event, which is kind of funny. Like, if I do event type one, I really want to. Then the yeah, that's kind of interesting. Like, I can use event type one basically to make like hard decisions. Because like if I do event type one, then oh, yay, I procrastinated long enough, yay. But no, I was just whoa, wait a second. You guys just leveled up again? Is that right? That seems a bit soon. What are your what are your experience points? Sorry. That seems a bit premature. Uh, because you guys just got the caps, and there haven't been that many events. I might have broken something. All right. Well, this is important testing. Whoops. Where am I going? Projects, journey, evolved. Uh, Kaminiak. Experience. Whoa. Yeah. Why is this like that? That's weird. That is weird. Why is that like that? I mean, it would... So I guess my math must be wrong there. Right? Like, alright, well, I'll look at the name tag thing first. Because the next event is going to happen super soon. Lauren, level up for... Huh. Alright, so let's look at the name tag thing a little bit. Well, I can start looking at the math while the name tag thing runs. It's like, oh, that's how long we're gonna let the name tag thing run. Because apparently, I put an invalid character somewhere. I assume. Huh. Key error. Huh. Who was that? Was that like Lauren or Kaminiak? I think it was someone with huh. I thought it was someone with the blue cap. The only person with a blue cap was Caleb. But no, we just seen him go by. What on earth had happened here? Can I do the variable explorer? Is that gonna... No, it's not gonna work. I guess, I should probably, key error. Key error. Oh, key. Yeah. Yeah, it was trying to do a dot. And, like, that kind of implies that it's trying to do a float. Cool. So, alright. Yeah, it seems to... It seems like that would imply that one of us had a fractional... Or, like, a float value for our, experience. So, let me see if I can find that. So far, so good. Comega. No. Comega's clean. Almost Dave. Me, possibly. So far, so good. Pluxy. Or me, I guess. Yeah, I should check myself. Check myself before I wreck myself. Sorry. Oh, I know what happened. You guys definitely earned the first level up, but I know what happened with the second level up. I know what happened. Whoops. Right. Man, I like implemented most of that feature, and then for some reason I was just like, on to the next feature. Like it, I don't know, somehow it like completely slipped my mind to like continue implementing the rest of the feature. I guess just because it had taken me so long that by the time I was done with it, I just like completely spaced out. But I don't know what's wrong here, necessarily. It might just be that, yeah, all of our data is fine, as far as I can tell. Uh, yeah, and when I load the data in, I load it as an int anyways. But yeah, so maybe some of my math, I just forgot to keep it as an int or something. All right, so yeah, so the first thing that I have to do is when I level up, uh, when I level up, I need to update current level experience and next level experience. So uh, this stuff, some of this action. Uh, so uh, yeah. Um, current level experience equal. So next level, yeah. Uh, so current level experience equals next level experience. Or oops. Because that just etc. etc. Oh wait. Actually, this isn't 100% true. Is it? Possibly. No, no. Actually, no. This is not necessarily true. Because if you get multiple levels up, then these both of these thresholds might change. So yeah, I think I just have to do this again. All this math. Right. Based on level. Yeah. Yeah. Oh wait, no. Actually, should this be effective level? No, this should be effective level, not actual level. Wait. No. There isn't. Level is effective level. Okay, yeah. All right. Yes. Yes. So, yeah. Save that, I guess. And then and then okay, so that should fix the level ups. Uh and then so now let's just fix that crash. Shall we? I'm not listening to any music. I don't know why I have my earbuds in at this point. um, uh, sorry. Um, so, so, uh, I where's this math gonna be? Where's this math gonna get weird? Where's this math getting weird? Where can we conclude this math might get weird? From where can we conclude this math might get weird? Uh, I feel like here. Probably. No. Where's the part where we calculate... Yeah, effective experience. Next level minus current level times LPC. Yeah. Yeah. LPC is not a integer, so this could screw stuff up. So it has to be this whole thing, rounded. So round, and make it an int. I think that should protect us. Yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna do one thing real quick. I'm not gonna roll back your guys' experience points at all. Like it technically was a bug that gave you the backpack, but I'm not gonna roll it back. I am going to stop the bug though. So I'm going to edit your data, but not to subtract any experience from you. I'm just going to it was Kamaniak and Lauren and Caleb, I think, were all affected. Basically anyone who leveled up recently. Uh, you're gonna have, yeah, this value is gonna be north of zero point 0.1, and that's because it didn't subtract 1 when you leveled up, so I'm just gonna subtract the 1. So you're not losing any experience, I assure you. Actually, should that have been 0 point whatever? Oops, not bonuses. Experience, I don't know, possibly 0 point whatever. Either way. Excuse me, I'm gonna sneeze. I'll be right back. Oh, you know what I just remembered is I've been sneezing less. I mean, I've clearly not been free of sneezes 100%, but like, yeah, whatever was messing up with my throat and my sinuses, like, I think I'm on the better side of it, so that's exciting. All right, so Caleb, uh, Kaminiak, yeah. The good news is you are still close to your next level. You're more than halfway to your next level. You're just not there quite yet. And then who else was affected by it? Lauren. Hey Gun, how's it going? I sure am using. I assume that was a. Oh, use. Oh, you. Yeah. All right. I thought maybe you were oh, Python. All right. Yeah. Okay. Right. I don't know. My chat's all messed up. I don't know. Sorry. That sentence came in pieces. But yes, you're correct. Sorry. I'm gonna blame my slight tiredness on my diminished mental faculties right now. But yes, no, you're entirely correct. This project is made in Python, and I was just putting the finishing touches on it. Maybe, I don't know. I was just fixing crashes, so maybe these touches aren't as finishing as I had hoped. But so is this good now? Was anyone else affected by that bug? No, it was only the people who'd leveled up recently. Oh no, look at that. Oh man. So yeah, this is gonna mess up stuff. So uh I guess I should probably, because there's bad data out there, I should probably put in a check for the bad data. Because like when we read that in, uh yeah. So LPCT equals LPCT LPCT minus floor minus math dot floor LPCT. Oops, I keep forgetting that underbar. Yeah, so basically when we read this was only ever supposed to be a fractional value. It's it was a mistake that this got to be ever higher than 1. So when we read it in, we're just going to read it in as just the fraction. Are we updating this correctly? Is another question. Oh, we're totally not? Wait, no, we must be? What? Wait. Oh, well, no, I guess we'd be calling it something different. Because we're using it there. Wait. Oh, no, we're recalculating it when we save it. So we are okay, yeah. I was like, I forgot, this is just a temporary value for it so that we can use it here. But, yeah, no, we're recalculating it when we save it. All right. So save that. I'm going to run the script again, see what happens. see what excitement ensues. Um, so yeah, unfortunately, that data won't get saved out. This data will be incorrect. It'll persist as being incorrect for a while. Um, but we have that check there now. So now when it resaves that data, it should be saving it correctly now, and people should go back to gaining levels at an expected in an expected manner. So yeah, I'm just gonna, because I messed it up so many times. I'm gonna go look and make sure that my math looks okay with the adding experience thing, or like the logic, because like I used experience in the wrong place quite a number of times, which was sad. So effective experience. Now using effective experience to determine level, as I should be, or specifically determining leveling up. And all right, I think this is good now. There might be some math errors or whatever, but I didn't expect to never touch the project after today. I expected to have to come back and like fix bugs and like do other fun stuff. Um, yes, no, that's not a dumb question at all. Incidentally, I stream delay. Yeah. So Comaniac answered faster than I could because of stream delay, but I am, and incidentally, I also tend to use C languages. I kind of I tend to use this language because I knew I knew it would work for like what I was trying to accomplish, and I I knew it would work for what I was trying to accomplish, and it was actually really easy to get started with it. With the I don't know, like one of the nice things about Python is it's like it there's like a nice lightness about it. So like you just start typing your script and you're on track, and so I was able to get like the so this game uses IRC chat connection, and that was like no problem to set up, and so I was able to really just almost immediately, like within the first week, I had a playable version of this game. It was text only, but at the end of the first week, I had the playable text only version of this game. So that was cool. And then, yeah, I've just spent some time making, like, expanding the feature set and like doing more with it. But it has been like yeah. Overall, it's been a pretty efficient and effective development process. So yeah. Um, hmm. I just remembered that I wasn't smart about groceries, and now I either have dinner tonight or I have breakfast tomorrow, but I don't have both. But that was my own stupidity, so I have no one to blame but myself. Um, all right, so I might do that thing where I waste time until uh, I might just waste time until uh, an event happens, so I don't have to come up with one on my own. But actually, you know what I'll do? I'm gonna switch over to Facecam for a second because I'm getting ready to wrap for the evening, and the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find another cool streamer, and we can bomb their channel with friendship. Uh, so hold on, I'm just gonna switch over to Facecam, and hey, how's it going? And so I'm just doing that because I'm not supposed to show other people's streams on my stream, and that's one of the rules of Twitch. And so I'm just gonna see who's online and see what's good, and then we can send it over in that direction, in some other direction. Hey, there's tons of people online. So cool. Girl, hey, yeah, I remember you. How's it going? Welcome. Uh, so you tuned in at a kind of interesting time. But, yeah, no, I definitely remember you. How have you been? Oh, wait. Oh, I have an idea. I mean, not an idea, but hold on. uh, Well, that's cool. I'm glad. I'm glad I was somewhat of an inspiration. Oh, here we go. Uh, typo. There you go. Um, all right. Sorry. I'm just. I hope you don't mind face cam for a minute. Oh look, action tags. I can actually touch the action tags. Hold on, wait. Are there? Boop, boop. Will you swing or will you cross? Sorry, I amused myself. Um, Cominiac. Swift action. Initiative bonus. Unless the script is going to crash or something like that. Swift action. um, Alright, what am I looking at here? Sorry, I'm just looking at other streams, and uh, there are a lot of popular ones on. There are a lot of good ones on. Like our our friend Zero Maverick is on right now. I'm just gonna see what's going on there. Yeah, we're gonna go with Zero Maverick. Spoilers. All right, after this event is done, yeah, which is it's probably I'll switch back to screen cam. All right, so we got this event going on. Let's make sure that we don't get like weird crashes or stuff like that going on, because this should fix some of the data, and mostly good things should happen. We shouldn't see anything weird in the way of like level ups. Like I don't know, some people might get level ups, but like it shouldn't just be like level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, blah 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 blah. So and yeah, and hopefully it won't crash or anything. So fingers crossed. uh, so yay! Congratulations. Oh, huh. You know, at the end of an event, I probably want to deactivate, or like during an event, I probably want to deactivate name tags, except for the name tags that we actually want to see. So, yeah, I think I'll probably do that. But everything else seemed to work correctly. Oh, I leveled up. My cheating has finally paid off. um, but I'm going to reset my data because most of my data was cheaty, ill-gotten data. Uh, so I'm going to do those two things, and then I'll probably kick it over to Zero Maverick because I don't know, I like his style. um, so what did I say? Oh yeah, right. So at the end of an event, that happens down here. So we just went through. All right, this is the part where we set. Where's the? Yeah, this is the part where we set name tag to equal to 2. So I'll do it right before this. So before we do for p in pdict keys, let's do or for p key and pdict keys, let's do for I in, so for I pi in enumerate no no, I can just do for, wait, which is easier? Enumerate parade. Do I need to enumerate this? I don't think I actually need to enumerate this. Actually, no, it's not a bad idea. If, or, yeah, no, so, no, I just have to do pdict, pi equals so no, I don't have to enumerate. I can just say for pi in parade derp uh, pi in parade pdict pi dot name tag equals false, or no, 0. Because yeah, we saw like when the event ended, like all these name tags went up, but like at the end of the event, we don't really care about like those name tags immediately. We instead will we only want to see the name tags for the people who participated, because at the end of an event, what we're seeing with the name tags is the amount of points that the players got, and so so anyone who so basically we just like rinse all name tags, and then the very next thing that we do is we go and process the end of the event. So we the players who earned points will, their name tags will show up, and then everything will be wonderful and good. And so because Kaminiak participated in the event, Kaminiak should be flagged as active now, and so Kaminiak we should see Kaminiak score every time Kaminiak does a lap around. What was the other thing? Oh, I was going to delete my save data. Is that Kaminiak? Yeah, I'm just going to delete my save data. Oh no, is that Kaminiak? Kaminiak has a blue hat, so did Kaminiak leave? No, here it goes. Come on, that's in, right? That's gotta be. It's gotta be. No, it's me. Oh, maybe Kaminiak left. Oh well. But yeah, with the because Kaminiak got flagged as active, so hypothetically, if Kaminiak was still here, we would be seeing. Yeah, I guess he had to take off. Probably because I said I was shutting down the stream, but whatever. So anyways, I did say I was gonna be ending the stream soon, so I will say final goodbyes. Thank you everyone who tuned in today. As you know, you or as you may or may not know, you all got the everyone who participated in the events today got the beta badge, and I'm gonna be oh oh no. Well, yeah, all right, you made it back just in time for me to wrap up the stream. I was just saying thank you to everyone. Everyone who participated got the beta badge, and a lot of you will also be getting the alpha badge as well. I'll be oh yeah, I was gonna set that up. I'll do that off camera because that's gonna be really boring. But yeah. So thank you again for everyone who tuned in. I hope to see you guys on Monday for the Signal Jam Part 4, or Signal Jam number 4, where we get to all make a game together. It should be a good time. So if you like making games and you like telling people if you like shouting through the internet at me to make me make a game for all of us, then that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna be playing Journey or side quests at that time as well. So I hope to see you then. And if I don't see you before then, have a wonderful whatever time of day it is where you are, and have a great weekend. And bye, goodbye, bye. Okay, now I'm waiting for stream delay, so I'm probably not going to time it. You're not supposed to be seeing this part, but I'm probably not going to time it right. I'm supposed to be switching over to host 0 Maverick. But I'm probably going to time it poorly. So I'm going to, just to be safe, I'm going to switch over to Facecam, so I can look and see if the stream is still, yeah, it's still going strong. Make sure I'm spelling it correctly. 0 Maverick. There we go. Yay. Hopefully that worked. Bye.